Hi, I'm Carla from Flowingcreek, and today we're going to make this layered paper card. You can get the files for this project from my store. I'll put the link in the description. Here are the supplies you need to make this project. You will need some cardstock. I'm using 65-pound cardstock. These are the colors I used. For the pink text, I used this metallic fuchsia paper. I also used black, white, and tan. For the card base, I'm using white cardstock, but you could use any color or even a pattern if you like. Okay, so let's make the project. Through the magic of video, my cutting machine has finished cutting all the pieces. You can use any cutting machine to do this project. I like to dry fit my projects before I start to assemble them with glue. One tip for these pieces is that there are a few very small pieces included in this project. The eyes for the dog and the muzzle are separate pieces. Be sure you don't lose them, and you may need tweezers to assemble them. Since these pieces are small and my dry fit looks good, I'm going to go ahead and glue them down so I don't lose them. I use this Aleene's tacky glue that I get from the dollar store, but I know it's available in other places. I like it because it dries clear. I put it into this other dispenser because the tip is much finer and I can control how much glue I use, especially when there are small pieces involved. So that's it. A card is finished. If you liked this project, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos like these. Visit my website at flowingcreek.com to find out where to get the SVG for this card. Thank you for watching my tutorial today.